Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable or disable silent mode in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you're using A36 or A56 and now you want to enable or disable silent mode, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your settings and then just scroll down and look for sound and vibration, tap on it. From here, just select mute option if you want to enable silent mode, or if you want to disable silent mode, you must have to tap on sound option to disable silent mode. There's a second way, just scroll down your control center and you will get do not disturb mode here. You must have to tap on it if you want to enable silent mode. So that's how you can easily enable or disable silent mode in your Samsung A36 or the A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.